So this is 5.6, number 33. And I should have written this before I started recording, but it's pretty easy. All right. So this one, so for integration, we don't have quotient rule. We don't have product rule. We don't have all those weird rules. But we do have U sub. And that's usually our solution. Rewriting it is another option. But this one, I don't see the ability to rewrite this. And Yoshida said that oftentimes the thing inside the other function is a good choice for you. So if you follow that path, you get x minus 4. And then you get du, and that's just 1 dx. And you say to yourself, hey, this might work. And then you start replacing. So on the bottom, I'm going to get square root u. The dx becomes du, right? So I'm going to have a du, but then we have a problem. There's an x there. What do we do with that x? Now, we can deal with that. We don't want x, we want u's, right? So we're going to take our original u statement and we're going to manipulate that and solve for x. So if I add 4 to both sides, u plus 4 equals x. And that means I can replace x with u plus 4. So let's do that. So now we have only u's. And the next thing that I can do, now again, that I don't know how to take the antiderivative of that at this point. I'd have to rewrite it. So one method before you start doing crazy things to find antiderivatives, try to rewrite this. If you remember from algebra, you can rewrite this as 2 separate functions. And then this is a 1 power and this is like a half power. And I learned you subtract exponents. So it's u to the 1 minus 1/2. And if I move it to the top, the exponent becomes negative. And so I get that. And then I end up with u to the 1/2, u to the negative 1/2. And I'm able to do that. I use the power rule for that. I add 1 to the exponent and divide by that. I add 1 to the exponent and I divide by that. And there we go. Now, I just do some manipulation. I multiply by the reciprocal, so I get 2/3 there. I multiply by the reciprocal, so I get 2 over 1 there. And now I have 2 square root of u cubed over 3 plus 4 square root u plus c. Oh, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. 2 and 4 make 8. 8, 8, 8. So what happened here? That tells you it's a square root. That's why I get that. The top number tells you that's the power. And I'm almost done. The original question was all about dx. Therefore, my final answer needs to be in x's. So I replace I replace u with x minus 4 in all my u's. So I'm going to get 2 square root of x minus 4 cubed over 3 plus 8 square root of x minus 4 plus c. And that should be my final answer for this problem.